to wait finger because we may not have the chance to see them again. What the food they did more I know come on On behalf of Jungle Navigation Company Limited, welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I am your skipper today, Vincent. Anytime, yeah. Before we go, safety rules. Remember, hand and elbow inside the boat. Sit down, don't stand up and take care of your children. 聽我身對那麼身體多，識得你數下定睇睇喺度或者你唔該曬你。Okay, everyone. I can hear you, okay? Yeah. This is what I call adventurous, right? First, right hand side, Tarzan treehouse. Some world famous scientists want to find Tarzan by going into this place, but can you see anyone? I can't see anyone. The scientists must get lost in the jungle again. Hope life happy to them. It will be better if you can meet them in the jungle. Fingers crossed. 我知道我爬山处理好的，他们要看看谁看到爬山处理好是你查查你啥个情已经不是，你莫不管伊嘛打你冇乜事，但係看看神經伊嘛買嘢佢等陣睇啊，我是愛德拉因啊。And then on the front, what's this? Yes, he's going to splash water on us, but don't worry, I teach you a magic word. Say it with me, it will clear stride. Together. No, no, no. Follow me. No, no, no. Remember this magic word, it will clear stride. In the right hand side is elder brother elephant. 我就覺得 so best. 尖西健康翻就非常不健康啦。Okay, skip. Moving on the front, you're not gonna splash water on us, right? Guys, he's going to splash water on us. If you don't want to get wet, what do you want to do? First, elbow inside. Yes, your elbow. Thank you. Yeah, and then remember, if you don't want to get wet, what do you want to do? Now, get down. We don't have time for saying that. No. We're saying that we already splashed water on us. Yeah. So, we get into the Asian category. Why I know that? Because I see that. 講到佢嗰啲新嘅乜事，未着嘅嘅時候，they can jump very far, they jump back and come to here. Very fast. Hello, Miss. Please don't change your. Miss in the middle. Hello, Miss with the white t-shirt. Please don't change your seat. Thank you very much. Yes. And then we have a. Wait. Is that Cobra? It's very tight and quiet. 試試睇 Miss 定曬 Cobra 咁 come 過去嚟睇咯。Because which animal here? Remember what they eat to grow up? They eat hands to grow up. So remember, hand and elbow inside the boat. And also they eat pet to grow up. So please don't change your seat for any reason because when the problem might should make a aspiration, okay? On the front of the International Scientist Campsite. Continua Capsai Kakashana Campus. Wow, so many gorillas on here. Wait, get down! Don't get up here, I will still in danger of being back shovel if we get shot. Finally, we arrived at African Safari Zone. Oh, zebra! Fun fact, male zebra is black with white strip. Female zebra is white with black strip. It's easy to tell, right? And then let me present you the most dangerous animal here, Mr. Elephant. 佢只有收手啊，講到冇你唔知班幾嘅嗱，對不對？我睇你小心啲啊 ！This Mr. Elephant was more dangerous than his husband 啊！佢只有收手啊，記得單單上有你講到幾嘅時候，哎呀 ，let's get away from here 啦，係咯。Those hippos are here. They already survived. Oh, it seems he's on my boat. Give me my boat and one more here. Oh, so sticky. Brush your teeth, bro. 佢自己嘅。Oh, those poor scientists got kicked out by the campsite and they're now got stung by the rhino. Do you know what is the most bottom thinking? I bet he must be thinking the end is near. 正確應該係 point, right? 佢知道卡卡上嗱啲講嘢啊，馬達話格蘭嚟㗎啦，我是你負啲的，是你媽聲的，簡單啲嘛。佢哋話將嗰度冇嘅，你吉你邊度覺得 side and then on the front, wow, so many beautiful flags. Must be the friendly local welcoming us into their village. 佢知道下到話見到確講到書面對住冇開啲 much there. Don't worry about the scout, they are just only Halloween decoration. Yeah, we are in the Halloween month, right? Yeah, so don't worry about that. No one on here. Let's say hello to them. Maybe they will come out. Hello, anyone here? Wow, they are shooting at us. This must be the start of sanitation. 我哋見到我哋嘅police here. Does anyone got any thoughts from those friendly local? If yes, it's cheaper because this is my souvenirs, okay? 我是打就冇得啦 ，continue with us take it aside。佢哋話先進咯，佢哋冇得。Yeah, we have like 55 skip. Hey! Oh, we can't use this road. We go this way. 個知啦。Sit well, everyone. Wait, where it is? Although I don't know where it is, your skipper is professional. Everything is under control. We can't use the front, don't worry. We use the back 處理吧，好少啦㗎啦，你哋見。Oh, we can't use the back. We got stuck on here 啦，頭先個咩啦你哋啊 ？Start on fire. Please don't burn your skipper handsome face and God on fire. 我冇落卡你十萬，呀，咩咩佢哋晒。Now here's gonna be a closer. We put the fire out together. Okay, each other in there. Does anyone get burns? Yeah. Low barbecue smell 嚟嘅。You are also fine. You doesn't smell like you are burnt. Only medium rare, okay? Yeah, 見啲見到嘢揾啦，有下邊啊，繼續到揾翻先。Oh, maybe elephant. 好的 So that's yeah. But that also means our journey is going to end. Remember, still hand and elbow inside the boat, not in the grey area or the bumper like this, so that inside. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Sit down, don't stand up and take care of your children. 嗰陣邊冇出過我哋嘛，聽我說對，那麼上來多，跟你說的，睇那咁多嘛，現在嗰陣睇嘅。Yeah, let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. 就 baby， 拜拜，拜拜。本嚟我呢個邊，真係卡到我試攞啦 ，high 攞啲佢遲㗎啦，你哋覺得晒，孖到你哋㗎啦，嗰啲嗱你乜事哦？when we lift the boat, please use the middle and the back door to lift. Don't climb this free window and don't go into magic spaces in the middle because they have magic glasses protecting it. Only clever people can see that. You guys, you can see the glasses, right? Right? Right?
Right.
Yeah, if yes, don't climb it because if you break it, I will send you back to jungle. Okay? And now my boat has stopped. It's time to say, say what? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.